Alright, so we're going to be walking through the warehouse. We forgot to film outside. We've been busy and we were trying to get cars in and out, but we're going to be walking through, show you guys what we're currently working on. So we just finished up this M2. We did full paint correction on it, and then we did a full ceramic coating. So we did 4 base coats and a top coat on it. Taylor will walk around and show you guys, but it looks phenomenal. This one we're doing front end clear bra, full paint correction, and then ceramic coating as well. So I'm going to be claying the car, paint correcting the whole thing, and then probably the front end clear bra today as well.
And powder coat wheels.
Oh, and the powder coat wheels, I forgot. Alright, so we just finished up this 2014 911 Carrera 4S. Similar package to what the Cayman's getting. We did the front end clear bra, full paint correction all around, and then we did a ceramic coating, and then he also powder coated his wheels. They were pretty messed up, being that it's old, but we put a lot of hours into paint correction and the clear bra and everything. For 2014, it looks brand new, so we're super happy with how it came out. Taylor will film some stuff. We also cleaned the calipers and coated those for him. But yeah, this thing looks like a brand new car again, so we're super happy with it. Alright, so we just got this 2022 Porsche 718 Spyder. It's just getting front end clear bra, full paint correction, and then xpel fusion ceramic coating. Yeah, that's all. Enjoy. Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's white going matte military green. I'm super excited for this one. I think this color is going to look really nice on this. Finished up the full wrap on this M8 Competition Grand Coupe in a Nosatec Midnight Purple. Nima and Corey did a great job on this car. Crunch time, they pulled through. So it's all done. Customers on their way. We're gonna go do some photo shoots and roller content on PCH. So I'm sure you guys will be seeing that in this video or another video as well. But yeah, we hope you guys enjoy.